Use the Homeowner Module to build list of prospects by propensity to adopt solar.
It's found in the left-hand menu and under the Build a List box. First, choose your campaign type. Every campaign type will include the property owner's name and property address, but you can also include a phone number or email address with each record, with the option to receive the other form of contact info where it's available. Make sure to check the D&C scrub box if you need to exclude numbers. Click the Continue button to proceed. Next, choose the geographic area to target. To target by county, click the County section and input your state. The box below will populate with the state's counties. Select one or more counties and move them over to the right-hand box. To target by zip code, enter the zip codes into this box. Then hit the Continue button to proceed.
If you're looking for solar prospects, consider using our solar intender segments. Solar intender scores are made using the machine learning technology modeled on real solar adopters. Each homeowner is scored on the propensity and financial ability to go solar. You can select multiple levels of solar propensity. Your final list will have a column indicating the score for each homeowner.
Go ahead and hit Continue to proceed. Let's run the count. The results of your search are up here, and the price for your list is down here. A summary of your search criteria is in this box, but you can change any of your search criteria by clicking the previous tabs. You can specify the quantity of records you'd like to purchase here in the Order Quantity box. The prices shown here are what your order would cost if you join the $1,000 or $2,000 pricing plans. To join a plan and reduce your cost, follow the instructions here. If you don't have enough credits on your balance, click the Buy Credits button here to pull up the payment form. Once you have sufficient balance, click the Purchase and Download button to receive your list. Your list will be available for download on the My Activity page.